Meanwhile, in Shillong, security arrangements have been beefed up in view of the visit of President of India Draupadi Murmu on January 16 to Mauplang Sacred Grove. Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills District, Sylvester Nongtangar, informed that as many as 9 companies of CPF, including the State Police, 91 officers and 19 gazetted officers, will be deployed during the visit of President to Shillong. Asked if any special arrangements have been made in view of the withdrawal of peace talks by the proscribed HNLC, he said the police are taking care of the security measures. During her visit to Shillong tomorrow, the President will also virtually inaugurate the upgraded Rongjang Mansang Adogre Road and Mairang Rani Godown Azra Road and lay the foundation stones for the Shillong Peak Ropeway and tourist accommodations in the villages of Kongthong, Maulingot and Kudendrim.
The visit of the President to Shillong on 16, so we are fully prepared the security arrangement, including the traffic, the packing and so on. So we have visited the PO, the places several times with the officers and men to ensure that everything will go smoothly as per planned. We will be deploying at least 9 companies of CPF, including State Police also. And we'll be deploying at least 91 officers and 19 gazetted officers during the visit of the President to Shillong. Nothing special reference to that, but we are taking care of the security of her security.
President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra